Databases are essential backend systems that efficiently store, manage, and retrieve data. Databases also ensure integrity, scalability, and performance for applications of all types and sizes. Amazon Web Services (AWS) offers more than 15 database services on AWS. Each of these database services offers a high-performance, secure, and reliable foundation to power generative AI solutions and data-driven applications that drive value for your business and customers. In addition, AWS Database Services offer many more benefits for organizations of all kinds and sizes. More specifically, the AWS Database Services offer the following benefits for an organization. Easy to build power generative AI apps. AI-enabled applications are getting more and more popularity in the business world. Massive databases are the back-end foundation for all AI-enabled applications. AWS Database Services enable you to build and develop power generative AI applications. As a result, you can unlock high throughput and highly relevant vector search outcomes with low latency using native vector database capabilities. Data is secure and resilient. Security is at the heart of AWS infrastructure and services. AWS has implemented security at all possible levels and places. AWS Database Services offer automatic data encryption and data replication. As a result, you can secure your applications with encryption at rest and in transit, network isolation, and more. AWS delivers resiliency up to 99.999% availability, multi-AZ deployments, multi-region replication, automated failovers, and more. Ensure performance at scale. Scalability is one of the most beneficial aspects of AWS design and implementation. AWS provides you the ability to scale your servers and databases as you need and as much you need in minutes. AWS Database Services are highly scalable. You can start small and scale with relational databases that have 3 to 5 times throughput than alternatives or non-relational databases that provide sub-millisecond to microsecond latency at any scale. Highly cost-effective. AWS infrastructure and services are designed and implemented to satisfy all possible use cases cost-effectively. It offers as-you-go pricing model and high scalability. AWS Database Services are highly cost-effective. You can lower total cost of ownership by using the right tool for the job and leverage innovations like serverless, Aurora IO optimized for price predictability, and EC2 Graviton 3 instances for additional price performance benefits. Fully managed database services. Management of commercially available database systems is time-consuming, tedious, and error-prone. On the other hand, AWS Database Services are fully managed. It allows you to free your teams from time-consuming tasks. With proven operational excellence, AWS handles tasks like server provisioning and backups and also provide continuous monitoring, self-healing storage, and automated scaling. Simplicity of operations. Operating commercial database systems require experts and considerable amount of experience. On the other hand, operating AWS Database Services is very simple. You can scale instantly using serverless with no servers to manage and zero downtime maintenance. Also, AWS Zero ETL integrations simplify analytics, ML, and search on operational data, and more.